Welcome to the Smart Fit. Today's K.I.S.S recipe is brought to you by my wife, fresh guacamole. No, my wife's not fresh guacamole. For today, we need 2 avocados, 1 medium lime, red onion, a mild or hot pepper of your choice, and tomato.
No, tomato no, I don't like it.
Okay, fine, we'll take it out. And of course, we need fresh cilantro. Start by cutting your avocados in half lengthwise, and then carefully scoring your avocado, making sure not to cut yourself. As you can see, she does a great job. Take a spoon and scoop your avocado into a mixing bowl. Next, we have to remove the pit of the avocado. All right, we're gonna leave that into the mixing bowl as well because it helps to prevent some of the avocado from oxidizing. This recipe was requested by my wife's best friend, Oyane. If you want us to cook something for you, leave the suggestions in the comments below.
Yeah.
Finally, dice a quarter of a red onion. We use red onion because it's a little milder in flavor and it also gives a little visual pop to the guacamole itself. Next, we're gonna dice our hot pepper. I like heat in my guacamole, but because I live in Spain, hot peppers are hard to come by, so I make do with what I have. So slice and dice, scoop and score those chilies into the mixing bowl. Next, we have fresh cilantro. Fresh cilantro has been the game changer for a good guacamole and a subpar guacamole. So always go fresh. Now roll out your lime to get the most juice out of it. Like this. Okay. Push, 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 roll.
Got it. My turn.
Cut the lime in half and then using a fork, prep it for juicing. Juice the limes directly into the guacamole. Make sure that you use all of it. You want to make sure it's nice and flavorful. Next, take a fork to make the guacamole itself and mix all the ingredients. This is your chance to make it as wholesome with larger pieces or as smooth as you want it. The recipes are in the description. If you don't know, now you know. We're almost there. Do not forget to add salt and pepper to taste. Add a pinch or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 and some black pepper. Give it one final stir to make sure everything's incorporated, and then look at that. Look at that vibrant green. You can see the cilantro, the peppers, the red onion. Now all we gotta do is just taste it. And that's my wife. How's it taste? No, just one taste.
Too late. Finish.
Well, I guess that's it. For more recipes, visit us at thesmartfit.org and on Instagram at thesmartfit. Subscribe and like.
Bye.